Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to search for duplicates in Microsoft Excel. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, I will put some values here. So let's suppose I will put 5 here, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, and then again 5 here. So these two will be the same values. Then again 2 here, 3 here, and 6 here, and then again let's suppose 5 here. Okay, so in these rows basically we have three same values. Maybe we have two like 5 6, then 5 6, and then 5. So how you can basically highlight, or how you can basically find the duplicate values in MS Excel. So first of all, you need to select all of the rows here that contains all of your values, and then in the home tab, make sure that you are in the home tab, and then here you will basically see this option where it says conditional formatting. So just tap on this one, and then if you go into the first option, highlight cell rules, here in the last option you can see this option where it says duplicate values. Okay, so just click on this one, and now what you're gonna have to do, you have to basically add the styles to the duplicate values here. Okay, so basically these are the predefined styles here, and if you want you can add your custom format as well. Okay, so you can go into the fill option and you can give your own color as well. So let's suppose if I wanted to add this color, I will tap on OK, and now here you can see that these are the duplicate values in my cells here. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will meet you in the next video.